Alright, so I pulled the motor out and I made this support for this. I had to support it. I couldn't do any more without supporting it. So, I don't know if you can see that. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to work on that, make a cover for that hole. I don't know how yet. I'm pretty much thinking I do. I'll clean the welds up here in a little while later. And you can see welded both sides, an A-frame, and it's pretty stiff. I was going to put some stiffeners across here, but I've decided against it. So anyways, that's where I'm at.